Hello students, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Magic of Math. Beta, continuing with the NAS series, we have reached the NAS assignment number 8, class 10th mathematics. Before that, do subscribe to my channel and like and comment in the comment section below. So starting with our assignment number 8, class 10th mathematics, LO based worksheet for NAS preparation. Question number 1, you have to express 98 as the product of its primes. बेटा 98 को आपने in the form of prime factors लिखना है. So you will do the method of prime factorization. You will divide 98 by 2. That gives you 49. Then this 49 is divisible by 7. 7 sevens are 49. So the prime factorization is 2 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7, that is 2 multiplied by 7 raised to the power 2. So my correct answer is option C, 2 multiplied by 7 raised to the power 2. Moving on to question number 2, which is again a repeated question. It has been repeated many times that the LCM of 91 and 26 is 182. You have to find the HCF. So I will apply the formula that LCM multiplied by HCF is equal to product of the numbers, that is A multiplied by B. LCM is given to me as 182. HCF I have to find, and the two numbers are 91 and 26. So for finding the HCF, 182 will go on right hand side and it will get divided. So 91 and 182 get cancelled at 2 and 2 and 26 get cancelled at 13. So my correct answer is option B, that is 13. Question number 3. What is the ratio of the LCM and HCF of 5, 15 and 20? Beta, for finding the ratio of LCM and HCF of 5, 15 and 20, first of all you will find the LCM and HCF. अब LCM and HCF निकालने के लिए I will write the prime factors. Prime factors of 5 is 5, of 15 is 3 multiplied by 5, and of 20 is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5. So HCF you can easily see the common factor is only 5. So HCF is 5 and LCM is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. So HCF is 5 2s are 10, 3 2s are 6, 10 6 are 60. Now the question is you have to find the ratio of LCM and HCF. So LCM divided by HCF, that is 60 divided by 5, that gives you 12 upon 1. So the ratio is 12 ratio 1. So the correct answer is option D, 12 ratio 1. Moving on to question number 4. If the mode of the data is 18 and mean is 24, then median you have to find. Again beta, here you will apply the empirical relation which we have done in assignment number 6 and assignment number 7. That mode is equal to 3 multiplied by median minus 2 multiplied by mean. This formula you have to remember for all the questions. मोड अब दिया हुआ है मुझे 18, तो मैंने मोड के नीचे 18 लिख दिया. 3 multiplied by median I have to find. I will put it as m minus 2 multiplied by mean is given as 24. 2 multiplied by 24 gives you 48. 3 multiplied by m, on right hand side 48 is subtracted. When it will go on left hand side it will get added. So 3 multiplied by m, 18 plus 48 is 66. So from here you can find the value of m, that is 66 upon 3, that gives you 22. So my correct answer is option B, that is 22. Moving on to the last question. Find the mean of all the factors of 24. बेटा सबसे पहले हमने फैक्टर्स लिखने हैं. बेटा यहाँ पे ध्यान देना, इट इज़ रिटन ओनली फैक्टर्स, नॉट द प्राइम फैक्टर्स. So the method of finding the factors is, what you will write? You will write 24 as 1 multiplied by 24, then 2 multiplied by 12, then 3 multiplied by 8, 3 8s are 24, then 4 multiplied by 6, इसके बाद 5 पे नहीं जाता, then 6 is already written here. So I write all the factors in the U form. The factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. And I have to find the mean. Beta, mean के लिए again the same formula, that is the sum of observations divided by number of observations. Sum of observations divided by total number of observations. So how many observations are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So total how many observations are there? 8. And when you will add all these, जब आप इसको plus करोगे, इन सबको plus करोगे, then you will get the answer as 60. So 60 divided by 8, that gives you the answer as 60 divided by 8, that gives you the answer as 7.5. So my correct answer is option number B, that is 7.5. So I hope the question is clear to you and all of you will complete your assignment on time. Beta, if you have any doubt, then you can comment me in the comment section below. But do subscribe to my channel for all the updated videos. Keep smiling always, students. Bye-bye and take care.